Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today I want to help everyone understand how to fix water intrusion coming into your home. You know, I've made thousands of videos and feel like I've covered every subject of rainwater drainage. And the most confusing to the DIYer is foundation waterproofing. In this video, you will see a severe water damage problem, damage to hardwood floors, and learn what is causing the problem and how to solve that problem. So stay tuned. We'll jump right in. So you can kind of see the damage here on the hardwood floors. Yeah, this has been here for a while, but the problem is outside at the footer. But look at the damage here and what it's going to cost to tear this floor out and put a new floor in. Don't let this happen to you. This is something that you can take care of yourself, especially on a slab foundation. That water's getting under the slab and just coming up through the floor. It's just that simple. This is a common problem that I see almost twice a week here in Florida when they have hardwood floors. Better is tile on your floors here in Florida, but a lot of people put hardwood down and you can see the damage. And you can see outside that window, the water's coming through the yard, up against the foundation and through the floor. Okay, so we came outside and we went ahead and exposed down to the footer. And I want you to see it. Here is the footer, way down here. And there's block, and that block wall, of course, extends behind that stucco all the way up. In order for us to put a French drain in here, the footer pipe, it's actually, can you see, here's the footer, it's actually down here. It goes right alongside of that footer. That will run over to a sump pump, and you can see some of the problems that we're going to face with these trees. And this one was cut down, but look at the size of this. And this is a tough area to excavate. All the way down to the driveway. Needs to be sealed in order to stop that water from coming inside. Downspouts. I just had a feeling, sure enough, you can see the downspout. It was laid right beside the foundation. Not that that's bad, but if it's leaking, all of that water is coming right back up under the floor. You can also see, if we look closely, can you see the stress cracks? They run all the way down to this area. So we might be able to clean this pipe. This line runs all the way out back, ties into this pipe, and discharges somewhere back by the fence, back there, the natural area. She does not know where, but it looks like that line's actually working. So if we look at the grade of the street, you can kind of see everything comes down right here behind this car. It's actually overflowing and running down through her yard, and it runs right up there under the floor. It really needs the footer pipe, the French drain, down at the footer level to solve that problem. So remember, when you see this big flood out in your yard, that doesn't necessarily mean that's where the problem is. The problem of water coming into your home is always down by the footer, always. And you need to dig that up and check that footer. Remember, the footer tile is alongside of the footer, the French drain. It's down there at the footer level. It must be below the floor to stop this problem.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.